Hello, it's just Crafty Chantel and welcome back to my channel. I want to do a quick demo with these nesting dies, Matting Basics A2 from Spellbinders. So first of all, I misspoke on my last video or a different video on my channel, and I said I bought these for 5x7. I did buy these for 5x7, but they're A2, so they don't quite layer up to a 5x7. So what I did was I used my card making frame from Anna Griffin. I think this was in her card making compendium, and I cut a couple of A2 cards, and so now I have an A2, which this will fit nicely as my first layer. So the thing with matting and layering is that you can use so many different colors, and you can layer with the card with it looking like it's going in or like it's building up. So I'm thinking of using the silver lining pad, the silver lining stack. I'm pretty sure I got this at Michael's or Joann's, but you can see all of these different papers that are in here, and they all have some type of silver foiling. Then I also have from my stash the Centura Pearl. This one is called Snow White, so it has more of a silver sheen. There is one that has a gold sheen. Black glitter, just in case. Then we have matte silver and mirror silver. So we have a lot of different options. Let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 potential layers. And then we can use these two for our sentiment. So let's get started picking out our colors. I think we'll go with 1, 2, 3, 4 colors. So I definitely want to use white in the center. So that's going to be my 5th one. And then let's see. Definitely the damask. Definitely the polka dot. And then we know we're going to have to break these up. So then we'll probably put maybe a matte silver in between there. And we can do next a black. I think our black needs to be the base. And then do we want to do a mirror silver or something else from here? How is this one gonna layer? I think this one will layer okay because it is very fine in the design. Either that one or maybe this one. No, that's too much like the polka dot. Let's try this one. And then we also have our white layer. So I'm going to get ready to put these together on the dies and get them ready to go in our Gemini. Okay, so I have our pieces ready to go into the die cutting machine. Maybe overdid it a little bit. We'll see how it goes. Might want to swap out some colors for something else. So we'll see how it goes once it all comes together. That's, you know, the creative process. We can change it up on the fly, and if we don't like the way that it's going. So we know we want that piece for our sentiment. And we can mount it here. And this would be our final layer. So one thing that I did was I skipped a layer in the dies to make the silver piece a little bit bigger. So I think I kind of like how that came out. But what I don't like is the white space for the card. So I'm going to cut another piece of black by hand just so that it covers the entire card. So let's just go ahead and layer this up. Because this black is a glitter cardstock, I'm going to use a wet glue because the tacky glue just holds up a little bit better on the glitter. And it also gives me a chance to do some shifting. And we have our mirror layer. We can go in the center with that. So this is just a quick example of how you can do matting and layering. I use the Spellbinders die, and I made it a little bit easy for myself by using a pad of paper that is already all in the same family. You can pick these pads up at Michael's, Joann's, Hobby Lobby. This one is called the Silver Lining. And so I used, a paper pad that was already in our color scheme or in the same color scheme to make it a little bit easier. And so this is just a quick card using matting and layering. Again, I created my own card base using an Anna Griffin card compendium, but you can cut this. It's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and this will create your first layer, but you still may want to do a background layer. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe so that you can be notified when we do additional videos. And I hope you enjoy our quick demo of matting and layering. Again, this is just Crafty Chantel.